What is going on, guys? Even Games here, and today it's a 3 AM video. I just woke up, and as you can see on my phone, it is 3:37 in the morning. And I read on the internet that it said do not spin the fidget spinner 3 times for 5 seconds at 3 AM. And there was an explanation why. And that was yesterday, but I just decided to do a video on this. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna set my camera down here, spin it. I'm just gonna see what happens because it's a whole new challenge that I'm doing. So yeah, okay, so here we have the fidget spinner. And here's me. So it's, you know, like 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Okay, we done it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the case from my camera. Guys, this is not fake. Fell onto the ground just by itself. I was standing and filming just by itself. My goodness. Okay. I don't know what to do right now, so I'll just, hello, is anybody here? No? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna film. Is there anything here? Nope. No. Okay, guys. It says really creepy. It just fell down by itself. That is extremely creepy. Oh my goodness gracious me. Here's the fidget spinner. Here's my phone, and it is so I'm just gonna, okay, just filming. Okay, nothing suspicious going on. Here's my iPad. Yeah, guys, so it's pretty much intense. But now I'm just gonna, okay, well, just filming. Here's my computer. This is lit so hard right now. Oh my goodness. I am literally so suspicious right now what's going on. Just, it's 3:40 AM. Oh my goodness. I don't know, should we spin it again? Okay, let's just spin it. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, let's carry on spinning. Yo! Guys, this is absolutely, guys, this is for you. I'm gonna do it again. 3, 2, 1. Here's one. I'm just so scared. What was that? Wait, where's it going? Hang on a minute, hang on. Guys, there may be something paranormal here. I really don't know. Okay, there's... Yo! Oh my goodness. The remote control from the air conditioner just fell. It just did. I promise you guys. Here it is. Oh my goodness. Guys, so I'm just gonna end the video right here. Really hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time. And now I'm just gonna check out my room here.